Thank you for considering Auto Repair Boss, and welcome to the Auto Repair Boss demo tutorial. The Auto Repair Boss program is highly customizable and can be set up to fit the unique needs of your business. In this tutorial, we will be previewing some of its many features. We suggest that you work through each of the tutorial sections as they will give you an idea of what the program can do. After you complete the tutorial, feel free to experiment with the program further. In this video, we will be discussing how to prepare an estimate for a new customer. This video also includes how to apply a discount and an example of the link function. Let's get started. To prepare an estimate for a new customer, select Point of Sale from the Auto Repair Boss main menu, and the Adding an Estimate record screen will open. If you are watching this video after having completed the previous tutorial, this screen should already be open. Your next customer is someone who has never been to your shop. To prepare an estimate for this customer, you will first need to add him to your database. With the cursor positioned in the last name field of the Adding an Estimate record screen, press F8 and the Add Customer Account screen will open. Type in Taylor as the customer's last name and press Enter to move to the next field. Type in Joe as the first name and press Enter again. Finally, type in 453 Broad Street as the customer's address. When you have finished, press F10 to save. The Select Customer Account screen will be displayed with Joe Taylor's name highlighted. Press Enter to select this customer and have the program put his information onto the estimate. Next, we will need to add his vehicle information. The cursor has already moved to the Auto section of the estimate, so simply press F8 and the Select Auto Record screen will be displayed. Press F8 again and the Add Auto Record screen will open. To complete this screen, type Test for license plate, 1991 for year, Chevrolet for make, and Camaro for model. When finished, press F10 to save and you will be taken back to the Select Auto Record screen with the vehicle you just entered highlighted. Press Enter and you will be returned to the estimate with the Auto section filled out. Now the cursor is in the Part section of the estimate. Type RMD154 in the part number column. Press Enter until the cursor is in the quantity column and type in the number 1. Press Enter twice more and the cursor will now be in the discount column. Let's give our customer a 10% discount, so type in the number 10 and press Enter. You will notice that not only was a 10% discount given to this particular line item, but also the service code FBJ was pulled up for the front brake job labor. The FBJ service code was linked to part number RMD154 when the part was first entered into the inventory. The link function allows for services or other part numbers to be automatically linked to other parts and services that are common to a particular job. In our example, we linked the labor for the front brake job to the brake pad RMD154. The link function can be one of the program's most profitable features. When utilized, it can considerably reduce the preparation time of estimates. Press Enter until you are in the quantity column and type the number 1. Press Enter 3 more times to complete this line item. Notice the subtotal, tax, and total have all changed. Each time a line item is added to an estimate or invoice, the price and tax will be calculated for you. We are going to print this as an invoice because the job has been completed. Press F9 Invoice and the customer checkout screen will be displayed. This box must be completed before the invoice will be printed. The checkout box will assign the employee and manager to the invoice, as well as allow you to select the type of payment. Press Enter and a pop-up browse window will be displayed with a list of employees. Press Enter again to accept the highlighted selection. The program keeps track of employee sales and statistics, so the employee selected will be credited for this particular job. The Auto Repair Boss program will allow for split sale tickets. We will not be covering this feature in this video, but it is explained in further detail in the Auto Repair Boss manual. Next, press Enter and the employee pop-up browse window will again be displayed. Make a selection. The employee entered in this field will be noted as manager on the invoice. Press Enter once again to view the Method of Payment browse window. The customer wants to pay with his MasterCard, so select the MasterCard Visa option and press Enter. Note that the program allows the customer to use up to 3 different methods of payment. Mr. Taylor, however, is going to put all of it on his MasterCard, so go ahead and press Enter. Finally, press F10 and the invoice will be printed. The customer, along with the job performed on this vehicle, has now been stored in your database. This concludes our tutorial on how to prepare an estimate for a new customer. Please work through the other tutorials to further familiarize yourself with the features and capabilities of the Auto Repair Boss program.